So how you can map your newly added or created either revenue income codes or cost of sales codes, which is purchase codes, on CashFlow. So for example, if we go to reports and we look at our profit and loss statement, we can see that I have cost of sales is carried there, but my products are under expenses or overhead section. So how I can get my products to be part of my cost of sales section? The way how we can do it is we will go through settings, chart of accounts, and here is where we can say that under where this particular code will fall. So let's find our product book and product Canva. It is currently under expenditure, but it should be part of cost of sales and cost of sales. So once we are happy with this information, it automatically updates. Let's go back to reports. Click on our profit and loss statement. And we can see that our books have been moved to our cost of sales section, and now it correctly shows our gross profit. So this is a way how you can map your revenue or sales codes or categories, as well as any cost categories if you're adding those. So one more time, through settings, chart of accounts, and select correct type for particular category from like if in your left hand side there is a category, just check and add your correct place on your reports by selecting correct type from here.